Hi guys! Say hi guys!
Hi guys.
And this is Jambiz. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join Team Jambiz. Let's go. Today we are in the upcountry. We're in Ushago. Kifingoti. Kifingoti is? Karatina.
Karatina.
We are in Karatina. Tuko Ushago. This is where we crossed over the new year. The kids have gotten to see animals and farm life, which they're not used to being in town. So let's take a walk through, see what we've been seeing while we are here. Sit down. You've been playing with the chickens. You want to play with the chickens? There's a chicken being slaughtered today. I'm hoping this little one doesn't see it and get traumatized. She's been playing with the chickens. I throw the bread to the chickens. Hizo kuku ni kubwa.
Ziko healthy. Ziko healthy.
Can we go to the cow?
Mommy, let's go.
The cow is in there. Oh. Aya, wait, kuna ngasa kama hilo ni mbuzi kutoka ndani.
Nikashao.
It's not here.
It's here. Come we go to the other side.
Okay.
Nini mbaya? Wacha nikam.
Not here.
Kunaweza.
Slowly. Here's the cow, the big cow. The one that's been giving us milk while we are here. Hey. Thank you, cow, for the milk. This one gives milk. Yeah. It's not eating you.
Oh.
And see the baby cow, the small one. It's a baby goat.
It's a baby.
Mm.
Mommy, you say baby.
There's like a baby goat hiding over there.
Where?
Question:
Mm.
would the baby goat go and near the mommy cow?
If you train it, it
It
can.
can.
Yeah.
There are the cows over there. There are two cows and the mommy cow in there. And zoom into the little baby goat, the kid. So cute. We continue. Hi, baby goat.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, baby goat, and the big goats are over here.
A big girl.
I hear the big goat is quite ferocious. This one, they don't let it out because they don't let it out because it likes violence. This one, the male one, it's the only male.
Two.
And
There are two males.
There are two males. Where's the other one? This one.
Mm.
So two males, two females.
Two does. Mm.
Isn't it a dose? You learn something new every day at the farm. And then two small baby goats, two kids. One you've seen over there, I don't know where the other one is. Probably walking around somewhere. So yeah, the goats are over there. Which one do you like, the goats or the cows?
Good.
Goat. You like the baby goat? Come here. Move.
What's the baby girl?
I don't know where the other baby goat is. You have a chicken over there. One stray chicken walking around on its own. As we like to call. Emotional.
Mm.
Yani,
Cock.
it's a cock.
Mm.
It's a cock motional.
Yeah.
As we like to call it motional. the bare neck chicken. Twende, twende. Pole pole.
Mommy, baby
Happy New Year.
here. Mommy, it's here.
And then the farm on that side, we've not gotten into the farm because small kids and whatnot. But there's a lot of farming happening on that side.
You want milk? That is the milk. Mommy. I.
Oink, oink. Dogs over there. We don't play with dogs. And I'm not about that life. As you can hear, they are choosing violence. Then the chicken. Okay. Huh? Chicks, chickens, even smaller chicks over here. Hey, Baba. Aya, kaka moshana ndio kama nalia. But see mayai zake.
Mayai zake.
Mbona hatuko tumoshana? Mbona hatukangi tumoshana tukiwa?
Si zote. Ni mix. Ni assorted eggs.
Because the jogo is not nini. It's not specifically moshana imeikanya. Imeikanya. See how polite I'm being. Yeah, that's the farm life. At least the kids have gotten to see cows, goats, chickens, chicks, dogs, and farm behind me. And it's eating tumalizia kakamba. I'm over here. Kara. Here near the chickens. The dogs. Dogs are disturbing you. Oh, Pole.
Mommy, no, not the dog.
No, dogs. Don't go near the dogs.
I can't see a dog.
Kutosimama chini hii nini? Isiangushe maembe ikogote kwa kichwa. Kama niende hapa mbele kidogo. Now this one is a sprinkler for watering the farm. It pours water like this. So yeah, mango trees, avocado trees, and all kind of macadamia. Iko wapi? Where?
On that side.
There's macadamia somewhere, pawpaw tree, a mango tree. The mangoes are getting juicy. Avocado tree right here next to us, and a couple of others all around.
And oranges.
Avocado trees. There's a pawpaw tree right here. Where's the orange tree?
On that other side of the
Some
farm.
bananas over there, banana trees.
Those are plantains.
Plantain, banana, whatever. We are not about this. We don't know much about farming, but we are learning on our trip here. What's the difference between the banana tree and the plantain?
Plantain is like the origin of bananas.
So here on India, it ripen. It doesn't ripen for this.
It ripens. It does ripen.
So yeah, guys, that's it. I think that's enough. That's it for the farm life so far. It's been a very, very fun stay here. We've been here since what day? 29. We came on 29. Today is 2nd of January. We crossed over the year here, and it's been good, especially for this little one. She's really enjoyed chasing the chickens, playing with the animals. Kiran is more of a homebody, but he's also gotten out and enjoyed a bit. Right now, he's with his uncle being tech at the farm. But anyway, everyone and their own interests. Kara is an outdoorsy one. Kiran is an indoorsy one. Kai, we will find out with time. So yeah, that's it for us from the farm. Thank you so much for watching. More content coming soon. Linda, this year we are going to do more content. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Say subscribe. Yeah, like the video. Yeah, tell them give it a big, 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 big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to see more of. Until next time, say bye bye.
Bye bye.